Okay, so we have good old Rocky Top, which is one of Tennessee's state songs. We have a few. There's also one called the Tennessee Waltz, which is a state song, but everybody knows Rocky Top if they've lived in Tennessee for any length of time. The University of Tennessee, the Vols. This is their school song, and you hear it all the time when they play football or basketball. And I know that Greenville High plays it a lot. I don't know about Chucky Doke, but I'm sure all of you have heard Rocky Top. The reason this is brown belt is because it has a note called F sharp, which is physically a lot more difficult than any of the other pitches we've done so far. So let's look at the beginning of Rocky Top. And we have our treble clef, and then we have these two things right here. I know a lot of times we call those hashtags when we're talking about things on social media, but what those are in music are called sharps, and they make a pitch sound a half step higher, just a little bit higher. And what we have here beside our treble clef, these two sharps are in our key signature, which tells us what do is. But it also tells us that if we have those two notes in the song, we have to play them sharp instead of regular. So let's see which ones they are. The first one is on this top line, and we know that the top line is what pitch? Every good boy does fine. So that means an F. Anytime we had an F, we would play it F sharp. And then the second one is on the third space. And that means that we are going to play it. Well, what is the third space? Well, space equals face, F-A-C. Now, we don't have any C's in this. Actually, we do. And normally we would play it C sharp. We're going to get to that. It's going to be played regular old C, which we have already learned. That is in octave. So you'll be playing it like that. Now, if this is a little, hopefully you all can read this. I tried to make it pretty big. I don't know if I can expand this screen for you. No, I can't. Let me try something here, see if this will work. No, I'm gonna try one more little thing to see if it is any easier to see. Yes, if I can make this full screen exactly, but I will make this look, there we go. We can make that bigger. So when you're looking here, over here is what we're talking about, our sharps. So you can see a little bit more clearly here that the F, that the line is going through the sharp, the middle of it. So that's F sharp, and this one's C sharp. Now, your time signature, we're used to seeing numbers that look like a fraction, 4, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 6, 8. We had 6, 8 in Charlie Over the Ocean, but this is just a C. There are no numbers. Well, that stands for common time. That's all that means. And if you were to guess what the most common time signature would be, what do you think it would be? It's 4, 4. So that's all that means. So we could have 4, 4 there. So there's 4 beats in a measure. That's just another way of doing it. I don't know why sometimes it's common time instead of 4, 4. I don't know the reasons for that. I'm sure there are some. So we start on A, and we all know how to play A. A, then B, B, A, and then we have good old F sharp. So let's look at how to play F sharp. Start with G, just like we do all the time when we're learning new notes. You're going to skip the next hole, so we're not going to use that one. Put middle finger down on this one, ring finger down on this one. So that's F sharp. It's like I've said, your right hand's doing like hook 'em horns, you know? So this is what is happening with your right hand. So it's this whole middle finger, ring finger, but no pointer and no pinky. So we start here. So have your right hand, and when you start this song, be ready for F sharp, but lift those fingers up. A, B, B, A, F sharp, D. So F sharp to D is pretty easy, right? You're just putting your pointer down. A to F sharp. This is what has to happen. A, F sharp, A, F sharp, A. I would practice that. A, F sharp, because and it's also on eighth notes. If you were playing this up to tempo, you know, A, B, B, A, F sharp, D. I mean, it's really fast. We're not going to go that fast for this spell. It's going to be the slowest Rocky Top you've ever heard. But A, B, B, A, F sharp, D, then it's D, D, E, D, E, and then it goes to F sharp, and you can't see that because I'm in your way. Let me move myself there, and it's a whole note, so you just have to hold that F sharp out. So F sharp, and then the second line starts the same way. A, B, B, A, F sharp. Make sure this finger goes down. D, 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 F sharp, E, D, telephone bills. The rhythm there isn't quite right. Ain't no telephone bills. I need to fix that. I got this off the internet and I thought I had every little thing fixed, and that one's not quite right. It should be D, D, F sharp. Whoa, what was that? D, D, F sharp, E, D. Ain't no telephone bills. Now going from F sharp to E, if you look at it from this direction, it's kind of like your ring finger and your pointer are on a seesaw. That middle finger stays down. D, D, F sharp, E, and then D, 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 F sharp, E, D, 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 F sharp, E, D. You may not find this physically difficult, and you may. If you do, find the ones that are difficult, practice that over and over again, right? The third phrase, the third line is the same as the top line. And the fourth line is basically the same as the second line. So let's do the third line. Once I had a girl. A, B, B, A, F sharp, D, 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 E, D, E, F sharp. A, B, B, A, F sharp, D, 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 E, F sharp, E, D. So that's a little different, but basically the same. Then we get to Rocket Top. So let me pull this for you. So we're here down on the fifth line. Rocket Top. B, B, B. Easy, right? B, A, A. Now on Home Sweet Home, you see a symbol before this note. First of all, what is this note? It is C. Now, it would be C sharp because of the key signature, right? But we have this symbol here that is called a natural. So if I did not sharpen my hair color, especially here, if I went natural, it would be very white right here at the roots. But I sharpen it with hair color. So it's natural color right now. Naturally, these days, it's very silver, it's gray. So think of it that way. The natural symbol means you're going back to regular old C, not C sharp. And it's for that whole measure. So you don't have to worry about it being C sharp. We're playing regular C, which is what we learned in octave. So you were playing A, then you go to C, and all you have to do from A to C is just lift up that pointer, right? So always be A, C, C, A, B, then we're back to A, F sharp, D, D, E, F sharp, D, E, D. That's the song. So you have patterns that A, F sharp, D, you play that a lot. That's Rocky Top. So I would definitely practice going A, F sharp, D, A, F sharp, D, A, F sharp, D, A, F sharp, D. Make sure this ring finger comes down. It's very easy to go A, F sharp. You see, this is an F sharp, is it? So here's what it should sound like. Got my hand switched so it looks like left hand on top to you guys? That's harder for me. Rocky Top, but if you don't put this finger down, see, that's bad. So make sure A, F sharp, D. You also have E to F sharp in I Still Dream About, E, F sharp, E. So make sure you are going E, F sharp. That's where they're on the seesaw, right? E, F sharp, E, E, F sharp, E. I think that's a little bit easier. So let's try playing the whole song together. And I'm going to have to make this a little smaller because I can't play. And let's see if it'll let me move it this way. Yes. Maybe a little bigger. Okay. From the top, get some of these things off of there that we don't need to see, maybe. Oh, come on now. Okay. Here we go. From the beginning. I'm going to have to, okay. So you got your left hand on top. I know it looks like my right hand, but I've got to use, this is my real left hand on top. This is my real left hand. So I've got to hold mine like this. So just remember, left hand on top. I messed up. I was thinking while I was doing that. So listen, you should stop right now and go back, practice, look at some of the things that I told you, look at the song yourself, then come back to this part of the video. Fast forward to it if you need to. Once you practice a lot on your own, very slowly. Don't try to play it with me right now unless you think you got it. Okay, I would stop, go back, practice on your own, rewind, then get to this point. Okay, we'll still go very slowly though. 1, 2, ready, and. Third line. Fifth line. And that's Rocky Top. So everybody at your house will hear you practicing that, and they should recognize it, even though they've probably not heard it this slowly before. And that's one of Tennessee's state songs. So it's really important.